Driving for Uber or Lyft in the USA. One wrong car choice can cost you thousands, and the right car can make every mile profitable. Here are the best cars for rideshare drivers, with real prices and fuel averages. Let's go! CAR number 1, Toyota Prius. Price, $25,000 to $28,000, $15,000 and up. Fuel average, 52 miles per gallon. Best for maximum fuel savings and long city driving. CAR number 2, Toyota Corolla. Price, $22,000 to $24,000. Fuel average, 35 miles per gallon. Reliable, low maintenance, cheap parts, ideal for beginners. CAR number 3, Honda Civic. Price, $24,000 to $26,000. Fuel average, 36 miles per gallon. Comfortable, efficient, and smooth for passengers. CAR number 4, Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. Price, $25,000 to $27,000. Fuel average, 50 miles per gallon. Hybrid efficiency with modern features, perfect for long rides. CAR number 5, Kia Forte. Price, $21,000 to $23,000. Fuel average, 35 miles per gallon. Affordable and low upfront cost, ideal for new drivers. CAR number 6, Toyota Camry Hybrid. Price, $28,000 to $32,000. Fuel average, 46 miles per gallon. More comfort, hybrid efficiency, great for airport and long trips. CAR number 7, Honda Accord Hybrid. Price, $31,000 to $34,000. Fuel average, 48 miles per gallon. Quiet, smooth, and fuel efficient for premium rides. CAR number 8, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Price, $30,000 to $34,000. Fuel average, 40 miles per gallon. Spacious SUV with hybrid savings, perfect for XL rides. CAR number 9, Ford Escape Hybrid. Price, $29,000 to $33,000. Fuel average, 41 miles per gallon. Comfortable SUV, city-friendly, fuel-efficient. CAR number 10, Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $25,000 to $27,000. Fuel average, 33 miles per gallon. Smooth highway rides, comfortable for passengers. CAR number 11, Nissan Altima. Price, $26,000 to $28,000. Fuel average, 36 miles per gallon. Reliable, easy maintenance, fuel-friendly. CAR number 12, Toyota Avalon Hybrid. Price, $37,000 to $40,000. Fuel average, 44 miles per gallon. Luxury comfort with hybrid efficiency, great for Uber comfort. CAR number 13, Lexus ES Hybrid. Price, $42,000 to $45,000. Fuel average, 44 miles per gallon. Premium ride, attracts better tips, fuel stays under control. CAR number 14, Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Price, $36,000 to $40,000. Fuel average, 36 miles per gallon. Perfect for XL rides, more seats, more luggage space. CAR number 15, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Price, $40,000 to $45,000. Fuel average, 30 miles per gallon. Ideal for large group trips and Uber XL. Choosing the right car can make every mile profitable. Save fuel, reduce maintenance, keep passengers happy, and remember, your car is your business. Subscribe to Drive Lab for more tips and reviews to maximize your Uber and Lyft earnings.